Okay, perfect. Cool. Alrighty. So yeah, this is the bi-weekly town hall for providers and also validators and other node runners. Welcome everyone for joining. Who's joined this week again? I see a lot of familiar faces, and it's good to again be given updates as we enter the December month. So today we'll be going over ecosystem updates as usual, and we're also joined with another partner of ours, just like last town hall where we were joined by Kive. This time we're joined by Cherry Servers, which is a crypto-friendly bare metal server company that is helping Lava providers with super efficient bare metal architecture. So they'll be covering a bit about what they're doing with us on the call in a second. Other things that we'll discuss today are the upcoming RPC pools, feedback around roadmaps, and also any Q&A as well. So without further ado, I'll let Cherry Servers speak, and this is just a few bullet points from them.
Hey guys, thank you Ethan for a nice introduction. Short introduction about who we are and what we do. So Cherry Servers is an alternative crypto-friendly bare metal servers provider based in Europe. Currently we have POPs in Lithuania and Netherlands, US, Chicago, and Singapore. A few more locations are coming live in a couple of weeks in Europe as well. It will be in Stockholm, Sweden, and Frankfurt, Germany. So we will have 4 locations in Europe, and we're quite strong in this area. We have been in the data center business for more than 20 years, and we have been successfully partnering with the best Solana. Currently, we have around 8% of all total active Solana stake hosted on our servers. Polygon, Aptos, Sui, and other validators. We also work with decentralized exchanges, crypto analytical tools, and other Web3 projects for quite a while now. And our customers value us for our crypto payment options, custom AMD and Intel servers, and generous bandwidth policy. And on top of that, we provide outstanding 24/7 support. And as mentioned by Ethan, we generated a 15% discount code for all Lava node runners.
Sorry about that. Yeah, I missed everything you said, but I hope everyone else could hear the support that you're able to provide providers. I think the bullet points that are on the screen right now offer a good summary. And you may have already covered this just us, but how would providers actually get started? They just go to the website and input the code, is it? We can share that after.
Yeah, you can use the code when completing the ordering process.
Okay, perfect. And very good to hear you again, by the way.
Thank you.
Good here. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for Cherry Servers for joining. I hope that the node runners here find it helpful. The code we will release after the town hall, I believe, is actually released in a previous announcement as well. Something like Lava Network 123. But yeah, we'll double check that after the call. Cool. So going back to the updates. Couple updates. One very important proposal currently live, although there are a few, is the lockup extension proposal. Now, this is entirely in the hands of token holders of Lava. It's up to you to vote, to discuss, and to have your say ultimately in how this goes. And what this is referring to is referring to a 12-month extension from January 2025 to January 2026 of locked tokens that currently locked stakeholders have in Lava. So again, it extends the lockup for token holders like Tribe, Jump, or Hashkey all the way from January this year, or coming up, to January 2026. You can review the discussion in the forum. You can review the proposal in the forum as well. and you will have until Thursday to vote if you'd like to vote. Of course, you can always abstain, you can vote no, you can vote yes, but please do have your say. It's very important for the entire community. Let me flick back to the screen in case there's questions. Yeah, so I see KJ Knows has been posting their thoughts as well. And yeah, we invite you to engage. Please, let's have the community write off. Yeah, okay, no problem, Gorilla. We'll do this. And just as we spent, yeah, okay, perfect. That's my cherry service. Cool.
Yep.
Again, encourage any discussion. So going back to the next bullet point here, the near pool on mainnet is coming this month. That's one of the pools that's going to be added this month, and it will be on a 3-month extension all the way up to March the 17th. It will be 10k near per month, and again, it will be live on mainnet from the 17th of this month. Other pools that are coming are a bit different this month, and I'll explain why. So the pools that you see there, Ethereum, Base, Blast, Optimism, Polygon, Celo, Phantom, Solana, Avalanche, Fuse, Near, Arbitrum, they will be added to. It's a bit unclear yet if they'll be on the 17th or some other date in December, because these are based off subscription purchases. So if you recall, blockchains can create pools on Lava that subsidize RPC for developers and users, but also big dApps or enterprises can buy subscription. And that's both in Lava. So we had an enterprise that will be announced very shortly that bought a subscription or bought a package to use Lava for RPC on these chains, and they will be added to the incentives and rewards likely this month, and those will be paid out again likely in Lava. But more details on that to come soon. Just know that these chains will also be going live, and so as a provider, you can support these chains on Lava mainnet as well very soon. Currently, the proposal is live to add them to the chain. Any questions about that? So will Near be in both IPC and subs? That's a very good question. I will need to confirm that because currently the way that those rewards will be distributed is a bit well, it needs to be finalized because it's a bit different to what we usually do with incentive pools. But yeah, that's a good question. 10k Near or 10k dollars in Near? I believe it's 10k in Near, so not USD. 10k tokens. Again, we'll clarify if I'm incorrect. Either way, Atom will be extended. Yes, Atom will not be extended. Oh well, sorry. Just to clarify what we extended. Last week we had a proposal, a poll in the Discord, which asked you guys whether you wanted to reduce the amount of Atom rewards per month so that we could extend the number of months the incentives are live for. This is because Atom price went up 90% in the last month or so. And so we propose reducing the monthly reward by 30%. But there's some good feedback here, and it seems like providers, you guys do not want to do that for this instance. So Atom will continue along its current schedule, which I believe also ends in March. Our pool is funded by the projects in dollars or tokens. Typically, it's tokens, or sometimes it's USDC. We haven't been buying the tokens as far as it's gone so far. So typically is in the tokens directly. Cool. So yeah, just to clarify again, Atom will still be going on until early next year. I believe it's March, which is the deadline. This info is in pools.lavanet.xyz2. Any other questions? Okie dokie. Cool. So we'll move on to the next slide, or to the next section. So the other one is the roadmap. Again, where we've already opened it up on the forum as well, where you see the Tribe Capital proposal. We invite any feedback. I see some people have already commented there. We'll probably have another feedback session later this week, and then we will aim to finalize that before the end of this year. So yeah, any feedback on that will be appreciated. The other things, as has been for the last couple of weeks, visibility around QoS and reputation, that's still being worked on for info. And the other thing is version 4.1 of Lava, Lava D. And 4.1 has a few different features, which will be provided in a write-up soon. One of the features is allowing providers to serve APIs that should be in a spec but aren't, or that weren't added correctly. So if the spec champion missed an API and didn't add it to the spec, then those APIs would still be able to be served by providers. So what would happen is a user would just request that API, and the protocol would keep trying providers until it hits one that does support it. Okay, so that is one of the features that will be going live with 4.1. There are more features available. I still need to chat to the team to summarize some of those, but when we have that, which will be this week, then we'll put a summary in the announcement channel too. If not, then we'll go on to the RPC pools. I've already spoken about this, but just wanted to have it all on a page so you can see payment again for the pools live. So Axelar is Axelar from that was added last month. Rcoin is in USDC, and StarkNet. I think we said it would be in USDC 2 because there's no bridge currently from StarkNet to Cosmos. So it will be not in Stark, but it will be converted to, I believe, it's USDC. But we'll double check that. This month we'll have Near, as mentioned. We'll have the chains that were in the package for RPC, and we're trying to get the movement incentive pool live as soon as possible. Still talking to the movement team about when the funds would arrive for the pool, but that will be happening very soon as well. I know a lot of people are excited about the movement mainnet, and yeah, we want to be supporting that as soon as possible. Other chains that have been on the timeline for a while are Fuse, Coty, and Union, and those will be sometime in Q1. Any questions about any of that? Will there be pools from December? Yeah. So as I was saying earlier, there's not going to be incentive pools as you'll know it. Well, obviously because base there's no base token, but rather it will be paid out via the subscription purchased by the enterprise. So there are two ways the providers are incentivized. One is via incentive pools, as you guys have been familiarized with for the last few months, and the other is by Adapt buying a subscription package in Lava, and those Lava tokens are paid out to providers. So the package that was purchased covers a lot of chains, the ones that you see on the screen, and the rewards for those will be in Lava. But yeah, more details for those and when those tools will be live, when those rewards will be live, how they will be distributed, will be shared very soon. I'll let Justice take that one.
Currently, we do not plan launching 9274F models. However, we plan having 9474F. Actually, we have one in stock right now. If you're interested, you can ping us on the website and we will provide it to you.
Awesome. For those who are listening to the recording, the question was, are you planning any configurations with the 9274F AMD model?
Yeah.
Awesome. Any other questions, guys, before we wrap up? If not, we'll share the recording. I'm going to write up a huge summary after this with the Cherry server code and also 4.1 as well. There are lots of small features and updates that are coming there. And finally, another call to action, have your say with proposal number 28 on mainnet, which ends on Thursday, to extend or not extend the lockup for Lava tokens. Cool. Good to see everyone here. Thank you, Cherry Service, for coming. Sorry I couldn't hear you at the start, but now I can. And
Thank you, guys.
yeah, we appreciate your partnership and we appreciate everyone coming. G
Thank
Magma,
you.
have a good week.
You too.
You too, guys.